this is one I do like. I'm going to try it and make my own. Here are my ingredients for my steak pie. We've got here diced beef, we've got celery, we've got carrots, a little bit of garlic, onion, beef roast stock, or like that, a little bit of already made pastry. You want to make your own, you can, and a little bit of egg, 1 egg for egg wash on top. Hello, I've just floured the meat and with salt and pepper, plain flour and salt and pepper as I just said. Now I'm going to put it in the pan for it to go a bit brown a little bit, and keep turning it when you do it like that in the pan, and also then put it into the slow cooker for the rest of the cooking. So let's get into it. Here is the carrots, onion and celery and a little bit of garlic and meat stock, beef stock to be precise, into the pan, into the slow cooker to be precise. So here it goes. Lift up carefully, push it in like this, all of it in if you can, all of it in if you can, like the carrots and all that, and also don't forget the garlic. What I'm going to do next is turn around this and just go boom, like that, with the garlic. That's all I can get in of that. And now let's get the beef stock in there. Carefully lift it as it's now been cut open by me. So now tip it all in, all the way in like so. And now let the drips go in. And now put this. Now stir it a little bit to get all the juices in there. Nice juices. That's nice. Do the other way a little bit. Tap it a bit like that. Now put the stirrer down while I use my spatula. And now put the lid on for the slow cooker to let it cook slowly and nicely. Here is the mixture of the gravy with the meat. And now I'm going to put some on these pieces here. Do not put too much because it will want to come out. So I think about this much and a little bit more, I think. Just that much there in each. As I said before, do not put too much in there because it might want to explode. A little bit, just a little bit extra there. And like a little bit in here as well, like this. Spread it down a bit, and then a little bit more in there. Like so. As I've got some left over, I might put just a little bit there, a little bit there, and a bit of meat there, was only there. But like now, what I'm going to do in the video is fold this over there, fold it over there, fold it over there. Now I'm going to do the egg around the edge. Do not put too much egg on the whatever you use to spread the egg around, but carefully do not put it on the meat. I say that now because I don't want to get egg on the meat. Let's get a little bit more egg on there, wipe it on the edge like that, wipe it down the edge like so, get a little bit more egg, doesn't look as much there, like so. Put that back in there, move that out of the way. Now just get your corners if you can, if you haven't put too much egg on it. Just push it down like this. And now make sure you get all the air out of the pie. Right, do not get too much air in the pie because you don't want air in it. Might destroy it. Now get your fork and just make edges like this. And here's the other two, as you can see, what I made earlier. Like this is the kind of pattern. If you want to use a knife, as you can see to make the edges more centered better, if you do, just use one if you do, like cut the edges off a bit, you know. But as you can see, they look like big raviolis. But like, yeah, I'll just continue doing this and put them in the oven afterwards. See you then. Here is now my one what is finished cooked. Very nice. Looks nice, good texture. Now let's try the gangsters first. Let's get a bit of meat in there. Come on, let's get a bit of meat in there. That's the original. Tastes nice. Now let's try mine. Cut the edge off, same size cut. Just get a bit of meat in there again. There you go, a bit crummy, but I don't mind. Now let's taste it. That one does taste nice, my own, homemade. But actually, that's a 9 out of 10. That's a 8 out of 10. A little bit different sound. There's my opinion on my own and Gangster's own.